Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Kalderetang Kambing or goat's meat stew. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, tomatoes, green peas, potatoes, carrot. We have sausage, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. We have liver spread, tomato sauce, coconut milk, and we have beef broth. We have patis or fish sauce, olive oil. We have olives, chili, crushed chili or dried chili flakes, salt and pepper, and of course we're gonna use a little of water. We have the goat's meat here, which we cook already in our pressure cooker for 35 minutes, and it's real tender now. So this will take only a few minutes to saute, and let's begin. In our hot pan here, we will put olive oil. Okay, and we're gonna pour in our onions. Let's add our garlic. Cook for another minute. Let's put 2 spoons of fish sauce. Okay. Time to add our fresh tomatoes. Saute this for, I should say, 3 minutes. So the natural juice of the tomato will come out. Let's check the tomatoes. All right. It's almost cooked. Let's give it another minute or so. Now let's check the tomatoes. All right, this is cooked now. Now we can add our goat's meat. All right. Okay. And add our sausage. Okay. Add beef broth. All right. And we're gonna simmer this for 1 minute, 2 minutes. And we can add other ingredients. Now this time we'll can add our tomato sauce. Okay. All right. We'll stir this a little bit. Okay. All right. And let it simmer for, I should say, 3 minutes. This time we can add our carrots. All right. And potatoes. And let's simmer this for the next 3 minutes. This time we will add our liver spread. Okay. All right. And we're gonna stir this a little bit to mix the liver spread with the rest of the. All right. We'll cover it again. Now let's check the caldereta. All right. Now this is the right time to add our green peas, and then the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, and we're gonna put dust of black pepper, and I'm gonna let it simmer for 1 more minute. All right, we're gonna stir this a little bit. Okay. Man, it smells really good. It's very yummy. All right. Okay, let's cover it. Here's our finished product. Kalderetang Kambing or goat's meat stew. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.